To derig the XSL-SUB loudspeakers, first lower the array, touch down gently and disengage the pick points. Release the mounting frame from the first cabinet. Start with the rear. Then, release the front links and store them. Release the rear link, flip it up, and store link and pins. Disengage the front links, remove the cabinet, and store the front links. If the subs are traveling on a touring cart, it is important to check the right orientation for the sub cart. If an adapter frame is attached underneath, the cart needs to be rotated 180 degrees. First, attach the front links to the touring cart. Then, lower the subs into the cart. Thank you, Chris and Jones.